Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting companies in the tech world, AMD. From gaming chips to artificial intelligence, AMD has become a powerhouse in high-performance computing. Once known mainly for CPUs and gaming graphics, it's now playing a major role in data centers, AI acceleration, and next-generation computing. In this video, we'll explore AMD's story, its technology, its opportunities, and what makes it one of the most interesting stocks in tech right now. So, who is AMD? Advanced Micro Devices was founded back in 1969 and is based in Santa Clara, California. Under the leadership of Dr. Lisa Su, AMD has transformed from a struggling chip maker into one of the world's most respected semiconductor companies. With around 26,000 employees and a market cap above $250 billion, AMD competes head-to-head with giants like Intel and Nvidia. Its focus is clear: deliver high-performance, energy-efficient processors that power everything from laptops to AI supercomputers. AMD's business is divided into four main areas. First, the client segment: CPUs and APUs for PCs and laptops, built around the Ryzen family. Second, gaming, powering graphics cards and major consoles like PlayStation and Xbox. Third, the data center segment, EPYC CPUs and Instinct GPUs designed for the world's most demanding AI and cloud workloads. And finally, embedded solutions, advanced custom chips and FPGAs, a key result of AMD's acquisition of Xilinx. Together, these areas give AMD a balanced portfolio that reaches nearly every corner of the tech industry. AMD's turnaround is one of the most remarkable stories in tech. In 2015, the company was close to collapse. But under Lisa Su's leadership, AMD refocused on performance, innovation, and efficient design. The launch of Ryzen CPUs and EPYC server processors completely changed the game, putting AMD back on the map and challenging Intel's long-standing dominance. Today, AMD's chips power gaming rigs, cloud servers, and AI systems around the world. It's a comeback driven by engineering, vision, and execution. Of course, competition in semiconductors is brutal. In CPUs, AMD battles Intel for market share across desktops, laptops, and servers. In GPUs, it faces Nvidia, the undisputed leader in AI acceleration and gaming graphics. And in the data center AI space, AMD is also up against companies like Google with its TPUs and Amazon with its Inferentia chips. Even in embedded and mobile, rivals like Qualcomm and Marvell are pushing hard. So AMD must keep innovating fast, because in this industry, if you slow down, you fall behind. Now, let's talk about where the real excitement lies: artificial intelligence. AI workloads require incredible compute power for training massive models and running them efficiently. AMD is attacking this space with its Instinct MI300 and upcoming MI450 GPUs designed for AI training and inference. They're built to compete directly with Nvidia's best. At the same time, AMD is expanding its ROCm software ecosystem, an open alternative to Nvidia's CUDA platform. If ROCm gains traction among developers, AMD could finally unlock its full AI potential. And with the AI hardware market expected to exceed $300 billion by 2030, the opportunity here is enormous. In recent months, AMD has made several bold moves to strengthen its AI position. The most talked about is its multi-year partnership with OpenAI, a deal to supply up to 6 gigawatts of GPUs over several years. OpenAI even has the option to acquire up to 10% of AMD if key milestones are met. That shows strong confidence from one of the most important AI companies in the world. AMD also continues integrating Xilinx, expanding its reach into embedded and edge AI systems. Data center revenue has hit record highs, and the company's roadmap looks strong, with the next-generation MI450 and MI500 GPUs already in development. Financially, AMD looks solid. Over the past year, the company generated about $23 billion in revenue. Gross margins hover around 51%, and net income is roughly $1.6 billion. AMD holds over $5 billion in cash with minimal debt, giving it the flexibility to invest heavily in research, design, and AI expansion. Those strong financials give AMD breathing room to compete, even in the toughest environments. Now, every great company faces challenges. AMD's biggest risks include fierce competition from Nvidia and Intel, and the constant need to spend billions on research and manufacturing. It also relies heavily on TSMC for chip production, meaning supply chain issues can cause real headaches. The demand for gaming and PCs can be cyclical, rising and falling with the economy. And of course, after big rallies, valuation becomes a concern. The market already prices in a lot of future growth. So investors need to stay grounded and realistic. Here's the bottom line. AMD stands right at the center of the AI revolution. The company has the talent, the technology, and the partnerships to keep growing in the years ahead. If execution stays strong, the upside could be massive. But competition never sleeps, and in this game, innovation decides who wins. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Do you think AMD can truly challenge Nvidia, or is the gap still too wide? Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, this is not financial advice.